Guess what? The Epic Revolution just got a cargo-sized boost. And it's all about Momentum's Cito E+. This thing is not just an Epic, it's a car replacement, a grocery getter, and your personal pedal-powered Chariot. So, Momentum, part of the giant bicycle family, decided to throw its head into the car replacement ring with the Cito E+. Picture this, you can haul your kids to school, pick up your weekly groceries, and zoom to work without breaking a sweat. This isn't just an Epic, it's your new utility sidekick. Now, let's talk specs. The Cito E+ comes with a powerful 750W rear hub motor, giving you a solid 80 Newton meters of torque. That's enough power to tackle those uphill battles or breeze through the city streets. With 3 pedal assist levels, you can cruise up to 28 miles per hour, 45 kilometers per hour. And if you're feeling a bit lazy, there's a thumb throttle that lets you hit 20 miles per hour, 30 kilometers per hour without even breaking a sweat. But here's the cool part. This Epic isn't just about speed, it's practical too. The 780Wh battery, packed with Panasonic cells, can take you up to 75 miles, 120 kilometers on a single charge. That's like a whole week of commuting without worrying about charging up. And for those days when you need a little extra storage, Momentum has you covered. There's an optional top tube with a built-in compartment, perfect for stashing your essentials or a snack for the road. It's like having a backpack, but it's your bike frame. How cool is that? The Cito E+ is a versatile beast, with a rear rack that can carry up to 130 pounds, 60 kilograms. You can throw onto child seats or load it up with groceries. Talk about multitasking onto wheels. Plus, the aluminum frame is sturdy enough to carry a total of 408 pounds, 185 kilograms, including the rider. So, if you're ready to ditch the car and embrace the Epic lifestyle, the Cito E+ is here for the ride. It's priced at $3,200, making it a solid contender in the Epic arena. Get on your bike, hit the road, and let the Cito E+ show you the future of urban commuting. Until then, happy pedaling.